In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet with two monitors. This can be incredibly useful when you're looking to boost your productivity during virtual meetings, especially if you need to reference documents or presentations on one screen while keeping the meeting on the other. Let's dive right in and see how you can make the most out of this setup. First, open up your Google Calendar. This is where all your scheduled meetings are listed. It's generally more efficient to manage and join meetings directly from your calendar, especially if you're dealing with multiple appointments throughout the day. Once you're in your calendar view, look for your scheduled Google Meet session. You'll typically find these listed in your calendar based on the timing you've set or received in an invitation. Once you have located the meeting, click on it. This will open a detailed view of the event where you'll see options to join and manage the meeting. In the event details, locate and click on the Join with Google Meet button. This action will take you to the Google Meet interface where the meeting is hosted. Here, you can verify your audio and video settings before fully entering the meeting, ensuring that your setup is just right. After you've joined the meeting by clicking Join Now, you're in and ready to participate. However, to make the best use of your two-monitor setup, you might want to share your screen during the meeting. For this, locate the Share Screen button within the Google Meet interface, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Clicking it will give you a few options on what you'd like to share. To maximize your setup, choose the option to share your entire screen. This allows you to seamlessly switch between applications and windows without needing to reshare different parts of your screen each time you change focus. With two monitors, you can easily have the meeting hosted on one and all your necessary documents or applications displayed on the other. This configuration helps maintain focus and ensures you don't miss any vital parts of the conversation while managing your work efficiently. And there you have it. You're now equipped to make the most of Google Meet with your dual monitor setup. By keeping the meeting on one screen and your resources on another, you'll find that managing remote work becomes significantly more streamlined and effective. Hopefully, this tutorial has helped clarify how to enhance your virtual meeting experience with Google Meet. Give it a try during your next meeting and feel the difference it makes in your productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.